Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we got with us a 2014 Kia Rondo. This is the 2-liter GDI direct injection motor, and I'm going to show you how you can change the oil on this car. First thing you want to do is pop the hood. If you look on the driver's side, on the left kick panel here, you'll see the hood release. Go ahead and pull that. Once you have the hood open, you will see the engine here. And if you look on top of the oil cap, it does not give you any information regarding the oil, the quality of oil you need. So if you look in your owner's manual, it will tell you that it will be 5W20 synthetic, and you will need 4 liters or 4.2 quarts. Once you've raised and supported your vehicle, you will see underneath the vehicle this engine splash guard. You do not need to remove this splash guard. You will see here this cutout is for the oil filter, and this cutout will give you access to the drain bolt. So this lower engine splash guard does not need to be removed. I've removed mine because I'm doing other work to this vehicle. So now with your vehicle lifted and supported, you will see here your engine drain plug. This is a 17mm drain plug. Make sure you have a bucket underneath and go ahead and remove that. Again, my lower splash guard has been removed. Yours will not be. You do not have to remove it. Once the drain plug has been removed, allow the oil to drain. And if you look in front of the oil pan, right here, this is the oil filter. And the oil filter number for this vehicle is 9688. Go ahead and remove that. So once you've reinstalled your drain plug and your oil filter, you want to go ahead and remove the oil cap. And you will be using 5W20 synthetic, and you will need 4 liters or 4.2 quarts. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if it was, please like, share, and subscribe for more great videos like this. And also, your comments are welcome, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thank you and have a great day.